This demonstration will cover the instructions to provide students and their proctors when delivering your proctored exam. When giving a proctored exam, you aren't there in person to tell students what is expected. Thus, you must give instructions for the exam as specifically as possible and make them available prior to the exam dates. This exam instructions template shown here is available for you to copy in the faculty resource site, which you see in your list of courses when you log into Blackboard. Or you can create your own instructions by going to Build Content and selecting Item. For the purpose of the demonstration, we'll use the template that was copied from the faculty resource site. Whether you're using the template or not, be sure to include the following in your instructions to the students and the proctors: the dates and time the exam will be available and due, how long students can take during the exam, and what they are and are not allowed to use during the exam. Some exams are printed, completed on paper by the student, and then scanned and/or mailed back to the university. If this is something you're doing, be sure to include it in the instructions. Specific to mailing, it is recommended to tell the students about how many pages so they may bring an appropriate envelope, and give them the address where the exam should be mailed. Also for paper exams, be sure to specify if the student's proctor needs to have a printer, a scanner, or any other technology available. You can set a date and time restriction here. It's a good idea to make the instructions available for students to see as soon as possible. This enables them to get their allowed materials together and communicate with their proctor regarding the date, time, and possible equipment needed for the exam. When you're finished with this section, click Submit. This concludes the demonstration on how to make exam instructions available for your students and their proctors.